Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you how to do a wheelie. So the first step is, for me the easiest gear is number 6. I don't know what gear you like, but for me it's number 6. So first what we're going to do is you're going to ride, then you have to kind of like stand up, and then step 2 is you have to press the pedal, and then at the same time you have to lift up. And that's how to do a wheelie.